In this short video, you'll learn about the VMware Validated Solution Private Cloud Automation for VMware Cloud Foundation. My name is Ryan Johnson, a Staff Solutions Architect for the Cloud Infrastructure Business Group at VMware and a member of the engineering team that develops the VMware Validated Solutions. Before we dive into the solution, let's briefly describe what a VMware Validated Solution is. The VMware Validated Solutions are an evolution of the VMware Validated designs with an emphasis on delivering discrete but interoperable solutions atop the VMware Cloud Foundation platform. The essential platform level content has been integrated directly into the VMware Cloud Foundation product documentation. The solutions are not a single system level design, but have evolved to standalone guides in their own right that drive focus on the specific solution's detailed design, implementation, scalability, and adjacent solution interoperability. The solutions also include the use of infrastructure as code where applicable using one or more methods. Now, this not only reduces the time to deploy through automation, but it also enhances the solution coverage and the skills of those implementing and operating these environments. Now let's dive into the VMware Validated Solution, Private Cloud Automation for VMware Cloud Foundation, in which the primary objective of the solution is to enable you to bootstrap the cloud automation services for application delivery, cross-functional collaboration, continuous delivery, and release automation across your VMware Cloud Foundation infrastructure. You can access this solution on the VMware Cloud Platform Tech Zone at core.vmware.com or by using vmware.com/go/VVS. And there you'll find the solution along with additional adjacent VMware Validated Solutions. So what do you get with each solution? Within each, the documentation is tailored to the solution and includes a set of design objectives, a detailed design that not only the design decisions, but also the related justification and any implications of those decisions. Detailed end-to-end implementation steps that are simple and easy to follow. Operational guidance for maintaining the solution infrastructure. Solution interoperability for the solution and between adjacent VMware Validated Solutions. An appendix that includes all the design decisions for easy reference. And lastly, an updated list of common questions and their answers. Here you can see each of these items presented on the VMware Cloud Platform Tech Zone for simple access in your ongoing reference. The objective of this design is to bootstrap the cloud automation services for application delivery, cross-functional DevOps style collaboration, continuous delivery, and release automation across your fleet of VMware Cloud Foundation infrastructures. As such, the solution focuses on the deployment and integration of vRealize Automation solution level components, which includes Cloud Assembly, Service Broker, and vRealize Orchestrator, and the integration of the platform level components, which includes vCenter Server instances and NSX Manager clusters as cloud accounts or endpoints. It is optimized for VMware Cloud Foundation instances in the standard architecture model, high availability and scale, and the solution makes use of Workspace ONE for authentication, Microsoft Active Directory over LDAP with SSL as the identity provider, security groups and roles for least privilege access control, security accounts and least privilege access control for solution integrations. If vRealize Operations Manager is integrated in your VMware Cloud Foundation environment, you can also use vRealize Operations to direct workload placement and assign pricing policies for the monetary impact of deployments and their resources, as well as display metrics, insights, optimization opportunities, and alerts inside of vRealize Operations and vRealize Automation. Additionally, you can enable the native integration to vRealize Automation from vRealize Operations Manager to provide the ability to monitor the health, efficiency, capacity, risk associated with vRealize Automation and the on-premises cloud accounts, such as NSX, vCenter Server, and vSAN. If vRealize Log Insight is integrated into the VMware Cloud Foundation environment, you can gather login information about vRealize Automation components by configuring the FluentD plugin for vRealize Log Insight inside of vRealize Automation. And lastly, the solution can be extended to additionally support public cloud automation if applicable. While solution simplification was one of the goals, we cannot forget the deep level explanation and justification for the implementation steps that follow. As an essential element of each validated solution, once again, each solution includes not only the detailed design, but the in-depth accounting for each decision necessary to land on a design that meets the customer needs and drives positive design patterns. Without any automation through infrastructure as code, the implementation would exist as you see here in a series of do this, then do that type of instructions for completing a series of requisite tasks. And this can be onerous for some individuals, and functionally it doesn't scale that well. It's not inherently repeatable, and people make mistakes or skip tasks, and we're all prone to this error in this manner. To that end, the private cloud automation for VMware Cloud Foundation solution and has the majority of the complex vRealize automation steps automated using infrastructure as code. We take actions that require many UI-based steps, and after defining a few variables, we can run these in a Terraform plan as shown here in this example, or using PowerShell commandlets if available. Additionally, the automation not only reduces the number of steps and is repeatable, but it also accelerates the time to deploy and allows you to define and maintain the desired state of the solution configuration. The Terraform-based procedures use example Terraform plans in a companion GitHub repository available at github.com/rainpoll. You'll also find references to using Packer for creating automated machine images and a repository in the GitHub organization. These Terraform-based procedures consume example Terraform plans that use the VMware vSphere provider by HashiCorp, the VMware NSXT provider by VMware, the VMware vRealize automation provider by VMware. Just simply clone the repository, get your token, copy the example to your own Terraform TF vars, and apply the configuration examples to get started. If you want to use the included PowerShell commandlets to perform some of the implementation and configuration procedures, you can get started by installing the Power Valley Solutions PowerShell module from the PowerShell gallery. In summary, this VMware Valley solution provides you with the ability to bootstrap the cloud automation services across your VMware Cloud Foundation infrastructure platform with high availability and scale. It includes solution-level design constructs. It simplifies the deployment and integration of the solution components and easy-to-consume implementation guidance. It includes both infrastructure as code automation procedures using Terraform and PowerShell, along with the traditional but simplified UI-based procedures. If you want to learn more about the solution and other VMware Valley solutions, go to vmware.com/go/VVS. Thank you.